How to create a new file in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start by creating a new file. First of all, open the application. Now, I'm in my home page. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this new file icon. Simply tap on new file. Here, you can directly give a name to your file or simply tap on text file. Here, as you can see, a new file has been created. Now on the top, you can rename it and here start coding. Here you can select the language and here it will automatically detect it and the code will start to run. Later you can save the file and execute your code easily. So it's quite easy creating a new file and starting coding in VS Code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.